Let's talk about Instagram. Many people know that Instagram is a very potential place to make money from, but only a few of them know the ways to do it. Actually, there are many ways to make money on Instagram easily for free, and a lot of people have already been making massive income through Instagram. So, if you wish to make money on Instagram, stay tuned because in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 simple ways you can make money on Instagram. Let's get started. The first way to make money on Instagram is to sell your service. Do you have any online technical skills that people may be interested in paying for? This can be anything from writing high-quality articles, creating professional videos, or even designing websites. These are just few examples of online services which are in demand. That means people are willing to pay you to complete those services in a timely manner. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular field, you can use Instagram to sell your service and make money. Here's how it works. The first step is to identify what service you can offer. So you're probably thinking, okay, I have some services I could provide, but where can I find customers? And that leads me into the second step, to build an audience. To sell your service on Instagram, you need to have a substantial following, and to build a strong brand presence, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise and stick to it. This will help you attract a specific audience who is interested in what you have to offer. Next, post high quality content that aligns with your niche and make sure that your posts are visually appealing and engaging to reach a wider audience and attract new followers. Once you've built a substantial following, start offering your service to your audience. You can do this by posting about your services on your Instagram account and promoting your service through stories and reels. Lastly, if someone shows interest in your service, it's time to close the deal. Determine your pricing based on the value you are offering and communicate with your potential clients through direct messages. Provide them with a quote and timeline and ask for a deposit upfront to secure the project in order to prevent them from taking your completed service and running away before paying you. Just know you don't need a big following to make money on Instagram. All you have to do is create high quality content that people want to see. As soon as you start getting some traction on your account, you start advertising your services to your audience. It is incredibly powerful to have a skill that is in demand online. How much you make with this depends entirely on how well you find customers and how quickly you complete your services. Another way to monetize your Instagram account is by promoting other people's products and services on commission. This is called affiliate marketing, and it can be a great way to earn passive income. This is an easy way to make money on Instagram with less effort. Here's how to get started with affiliate marketing on Instagram in just 3 simple steps. First step is to find products or services to promote. Look for companies or brands that align with your niche and have an affiliate program. Many businesses have affiliate programs which allow you to earn a commission for every sale you generate. Step 2. Create content that promotes the product. Once you've found products to promote, create high quality content that showcases the benefits of the product or service and how it's going to help the viewer of the video. This can be in the form of videos, reels, or stories. And the last step, include your affiliate link. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your bio or story. This link will track any sales generated from your promotion, and you will receive a commission for each sale. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money on Instagram. It is important to only promote products or services that align with your values and niche. Authenticity is key to building trust with your audience, and promoting products that you don't believe in can damage that trust. One thing to note though, this method is one of the easiest ways I know to make money on Instagram. However, this method is not just a method where you can make money on Instagram simply by posting a video and the cash that's flowing into your bank account. It does require a bit of work. If you want to make money on Instagram, then obviously the more videos you have out there reaching more people, the more money you are going to make. Thirdly, social media management is a great way to make money on Instagram. If you have experience managing social media accounts and are passionate about creating content, you can offer your services as a social media manager to creators, businesses, and influencers who need help managing their Instagram accounts. Firstly, you need to build a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and experience. You can start managing your own Instagram account and creating a portfolio of your best content. When you start doing this, you can also offer your services for free or at a reduced rate to a few select clients to build your portfolio. Next, you will need to identify potential clients. Look for businesses, influencers, or other creators in your niche who may need help managing their Instagram accounts. You can reach out to them via direct messages or email, introducing yourself and offering your services. and also let them know how you can help them grow their following, increase engagement, and ultimately achieve their social media goals. As a social media manager, your responsibilities may include content creation, scheduling posts, responding to comments and messages, tracking and analyzing metrics to improve performance. Social media management can be a lucrative and fulfilling career path for those who are passionate about social media and have the talent for creating engaging content. And with the growing importance of social media for businesses and individuals alike, there's never been a better time to start offering your services as a social media manager on Instagram. The third way to make money on Instagram is to sell digital products. Instagram is a great platform to sell digital products, whether they are ebooks, courses, templates, or other types of digital content. With the right niche and content, you can attract a large following of people who are interested in your expertise and want to learn from you. Here's how it works. The first step to selling your own digital products on Instagram is to determine your niche and area of expertise. This will help you attract the right audience and build credibility as an authority in your field. Next, once you've identified your niche and expertise, create high-quality digital products that provide value to your audience. This can include ebooks, courses, webinars, software, or other things where customers can simply download through a link upon their purchase. The information that you are selling must be on the topics that can help people to solve their problems. Lastly, use Instagram to promote your digital products. Instagram is a powerful tool to promote your digital products and reach a wider audience. You can use features like stories, reels, carousels to promote your digital products and highlight their benefits. The benefit of promoting digital products is that after your customer purchases it, they can immediately download it. The entire process is fully automated and there will be no shipping costs. Since your product is entirely digital, you will only have to put in some effort once to create it and then keep repeating to earn money. Another popular way to make money on Instagram is through sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to create and share posts that promote their products or services. Here's how you can get started with sponsored content. Step 1. Build your brand on Instagram. Before brands will be interested in working with you, you need to build a strong personal brand on Instagram. This means growing your following, creating high-quality content, and engaging with your audience. Step 2. Once you have a strong brand on Instagram, you can start reaching out to brands directly or signing up for influencer marketing platforms like AspiraQ, Influencer.co, etc. These platforms connect influencers with brands looking for sponsored content. Step 3. When a brand approaches you for sponsored content, they will usually have a budget in mind. However, it's important to negotiate your rates to ensure that you are getting paid what you are worth. Lastly, create high quality content. When creating sponsored content, it's important to make sure that it aligns with your personal brand and is high quality. Brands are looking to work with influencers who can create content that resonates with their audience and drives engagement. Sponsored content can be a great way to make money on Instagram. It's important to make sure that the content you create is authentic and aligns with your personal brand. So that's the ways you can make money on Instagram. Now it's time for you to take action. And if you haven't already, start building your own brand on Instagram today. Remember, success on Instagram doesn't happen overnight. So be patient and keep working towards your goals. If you want to increase your real views and followers, click the video on the screen, follow the steps mentioned in the video, and increase your reach. Check it out.